The "oops, something went wrong" error has become one of the most frustrating experiences for Ticketmaster users worldwide. This generic error message appears millions of times during high-demand ticket sales, leaving fans unable to purchase tickets for their favorite events. This is what millions of users see when trying to buy tickets. The generic "oops, something went wrong" message provides little information about what actually caused the problem, making it difficult for users to know how to proceed. The scale of this problem is enormous. During major ticket releases, 15 to 20% of users encounter this error. Ticketmaster's system handles up to 3.5 billion requests per hour during peak events, which often overwhelms their infrastructure. The error can be triggered by several different underlying problems. Server overload is the most common cause, occurring when high traffic overwhelms system capacity. Session timeouts happen when user sessions expire during the lengthy purchase process. Payment processing failures occur when credit card verification systems can't handle the load. Geographic restrictions block users from certain locations, while bot detection systems sometimes incorrectly flag legitimate users as automated bots. Ticketmaster operates on a distributed cloud infrastructure designed to handle massive traffic loads. However, even this sophisticated system can struggle under the extreme conditions created by high-demand ticket sales, particularly during critical phases of the purchase process. The error typically occurs at 4 critical junctions in the ticket buying process. Initial queue entry is when the system first gets overwhelmed. Ticket selection involves complex database queries that can fail under heavy load. Payment processing is another vulnerable point where credit card verification systems can time out. Finally, the system sometimes crashes at the very last moment during final confirmation, after users have already invested significant time in the process. Ticketmaster has made significant improvements to address these issues. They've overhauled their queue systems with new virtual waiting room technologies and enhanced error reporting to provide more specific error codes instead of generic messages. Mobile app stability has been improved with updates to both iOS and Android versions, and they're working on better browser compatibility to reduce errors across different web browsers. Despite these improvements, the fundamental challenge of managing massive traffic spikes during popular events remains. Understanding these underlying causes helps explain why the "oops, something went wrong" error is so persistent and widespread. While Ticketmaster continues to improve their infrastructure, the massive scale of demand during popular events continues to challenge even the most sophisticated systems. When you encounter the "oops, something went wrong" error, start with these immediate solutions that resolve most issues quickly. First, refresh your browser and clear your cache and cookies. This removes corrupted data that often causes the error. Next, disable browser extensions that might interfere with Ticketmaster. Extensions can block scripts or modify page behavior. Switch between devices and internet connections. Try the mobile app if the website fails, or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Ensure your Ticketmaster account is properly set up. Verify your payment information and have alternative payment methods ready. For advanced troubleshooting, use multiple browsers simultaneously to maintain your position in the virtual queue while trying different approaches. Geographic restrictions can trigger errors. Disable VPN services, enable location services, and ensure your account address matches your billing information. Prevention is key to avoiding errors. Before major ticket sales, optimize your account by completing all profile information and verifying contact details. During ticket sales, be patient and avoid excessive page refreshing. Consider authorized resellers as backup options and monitor social media for real-time updates. Following these troubleshooting and prevention strategies significantly improves your chances of successfully purchasing tickets and avoiding the frustrating "oops, something went wrong" error.